It happens all too often. A kitchen appliance becomes super popular. Then, after a year or two, it fades away. But one that's still growing in popularity is the air fryer. Today, there are so many amazing products that go from the freezer to the air fryer to the table in just minutes. When it comes to entertaining or snacking, there's no better way to heat up appetizers than in the air fryer. So whether you love ooey gooey mozzarella sticks, crispy coconut shrimp, or ethnic favorites, you can't miss. Come dinner time, did you know you can take battered or breaded fish, personal sized pizzas, and even fried chicken right from the freezer to the air fryer, and it's done in minutes? And with roasted veggies being all the trend, all we need to do is lightly toss frozen Brussels sprouts, root vegetables, or green beans with a bit of oil into the air fryer. The circulating air makes them crispy, crunchy, and irresistible. Of course, if you love crispy fries and onion rings, you can't miss. And yes, the same goes for all our frozen breakfast favorites. Waffles, sausage, and even mini quiche are ready before the coffee is done brewing. And if you're like me, when it comes to satisfying dessert cravings, nothing's better than taking a frozen turnover or tart out of the freezer. And before you know it, thanks to our air fryer, it's ready to top with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Want to get my tips to turn freezer aisle favorites into restaurant classics in just minutes using your air fryer? Simply visit our website. So if your air fryer is buried in the back of your pantry, dig it out and head to the freezer aisle and pick up what I call foods that are air fryer friendly. Because when you do, you end up with lots of, ooh, it's so good. Mm-mm-mm.